Today, August 23rd, 2024, marks India's first National Space Day, commemorating the historic achievement of Chandrayaan 3. On this day last year, August 23rd, 2023, Chandrayaan 3 successfully landed on the moon's south pole, making India the first country to reach this region and the fourth globally after US, Russia, and China. The mission, launched on July 14, 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, aimed to safely land on the moon and conduct scientific experiments. To honor this milestone, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that August 23 will be celebrated annually as National Space Day in India. Rajkumar Shukla, born on August 23, 1875 in Champaran, Bihar, was a key figure in India's freedom struggle. A humble farmer with strong resolve, Shukla played a crucial role in highlighting the plight of indigo farmers who were being exploited by the British. He reached out Mahatma Gandhi, convincing him to visit Champaran to address this issue. In 1917, Gandhi, prompted by Shukla, visited Champaran, which led to the launch of Champaran Satyagraha, the first successful civil disobedience movement in India. Shukla's efforts were instrumental in the freedom movement. After India gained independence, he was honored with two commemorative postage stamps. Rajkumar Shukla passed away on May 20, 1929. Aarti Saha, a pioneering swimmer from West Bengal, passed away on August 23, 1994 in Kolkata. Born on September 24, 1940, she began showing an early interest in swimming and quickly rose to prominence at the national level. In 1959, at just 18 years old, Aarti made history by becoming the first woman in India and Asia to cross the English Channel, completing the swim in just 16 hours 20 minutes on September 29. Her remarkable achievement earned her the Padma Shri Award from the Government of India in 1960 and inspired future generations of women in sports. In 1998, the Indian Postal Department honored her legacy by issuing a commemorative stamp in her name. On August 23, 1966, Lunar Orbiter 1 captured the first photograph of Earth from the Moon's orbit. Launched on August 10, 1966 by NASA, Lunar Orbiter 1 was the first spacecraft to enter lunar orbit as a part of Lunar Orbiter program. The mission's goals included photographing the Moon's surface and identifying potential landing sites for future human missions. On August 28th, the spacecraft transmitted 205 photos including the landmark image of Earth. Additionally, it provided the first clear views of the Moon's far side, aiding in the creation of detailed lunar maps and the identification of safe landing sites for the Apollo missions. The mission concluded on October 29, 1966.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
On August 23, 1991, Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, made the world's first website public, marking the beginning of the Internet era. Berners-Lee, who developed the concept of the World Wide Web while working at CERN in 1989, aimed to create a system for easily sharing information among scientists and researchers. The project sought to present information in a standardized format accessible from any computer. Although Berners-Lee created the first website on August 6, 1991, it was publicly launched on August 23 in 1991. Hosted on CERN's server with URL info.cern.ch, the site provided information about the World Wide Web, including basics of web technology, HTML, and website creation. The International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its abolition is observed on August 23rd each year. Established by the United Nations in 1998, this day commemorates those who fought against the slave trade and sacrificed their lives. The date marks the anniversary of a pivotal rebellion on August 23, 1791 in Saint-Domingue, now Haiti, which played a crucial role in the struggle against slavery and led to Haiti's independence in 1804. This rebellion was a significant milestone in the abolition movement. The day serves to raise awareness about the history of slavery and the slave trade and to honor the efforts to end this inhuman practice.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.